In Wancho community, we have paramount village, like the small villages has to give the tax to that paramount chief, paramount village chief, like that we have. So this common festival is generally celebrated by those big paramount villages. For everything, for even clearing the field, weeds, to take out the weeds or anything, even harvesting. So every system functions as per the community. This is community footpath cleaning. As I have already referred you, everything goes on as per on the basis of community responsibility, community work. It is the responsibility of the entire villages to clear up, to work in the chief's field. Community fishing is a big event in Wancho society. We do community fishing. In upper side, only male members will go for community fishing. They will dam the river and dry up the other part, and from that portion, fishing will be done. This is how the fish is equally distributed after having good catch. So, again, here the story of Topa, the rules which we have heard in the Topa story applies. Equal fish has to be distributed equally among the participants who went for fishing, who participate in the fishing. So, but basically, it will be from the age wise. The eldest person will have to stand first, then step by step, as per the age, they will stand on the row and they will get their share. In those days, they hunted enemies' head to defend themselves, to defend their enemies, to get their land, to fight for their land. You see, war is even fought today in the modern age. We see that we are enjoying the modern day life, 21st century, we are computer age, like that. We are speaking, we are saying. But even today, war is taking place. So we should never depict that hunting is like a kind of savage, it's a primitive activities like it. We should never depict like that, because that time was different and this time is different. So this is our custom, this is our tradition. We identify Wanchos by air holes. So if you see anybody having air hole, definitely that person will be Wancho. So this is the mark we do even today. If anybody is born, if a new baby is born, then definitely the ritual of hair piecing and shaving the hair is done even today. This ritual is followed by a big feast also, a party. So it's a good system. But these days things are changing. Some people are celebrating in the modern way, like birthday, like that. But in traditional way, that was the system. Before cutting down a particular tree for the log drum, there is a big ritual to be done, and generally people do that ritual, and they will get permission from the nature. They will ask permission from the nature. They will chant some mantras. They will just pray to the nature God that we are going to cut down this huge tree for use. It will be used, not for wastage, like that. They will say something. After that only they will cut down that tree.
Since Christianity is popular in India, so these rituals are still followed, or are they also like dying out, like how you said, the burial ritual? It's not there anymore.
Yeah.
So even the rituals of praying to the nature and all, is it still there? Or?
Yeah, some rituals are still practiced. It's still followed, but the rituals like keeping the dead body on the platform, it's no more practiced. It's no more done, and now the people follow the Christian system of burying the dead body underneath the soil. If we have to carry that huge trunk, huge log of that paddy pounder, wooden paddy pounder, or the log drum, or the post for the construction of chief's house, we generally do this kind of collective work. Jointly we do, and social distancing we follow in the world, but Wanchos can never follow social distancing because they are born for community work, and they will in fact never follow that social distancing. The pattern of house construction is also changing with the time, with the change of time. Nowadays, new houses are coming, tin houses, tin roofed houses, cemented houses are also coming. So the change is going on. We have morong, we have palm, which we consider it as an institution, like an institution. So boys sleep together in that palm, and the elder ones, they will tell the stories to the younger ones. They will pass on their stories, their history. Youngsters are going out to the schools and they are studying outside. And who will sleep in the morong? That's the point. So they don't get the stories. So this animation part should be for telling the stories through this medium of digital media. That's what we have gathered here.